If you have the right system, the right machine, and the right products, you can really do well, really do it easily. Custom finishes like this, how many people would have the guts to just pick up a polisher and rub on there?
Me. But you know, that's as much as we want the keys to take out the car for the first time, you know, as much as we want to drive one day, I think everybody that has a show car of any type or a nice car, especially even the newer ones today, wants to take a buffer in his hand and try it.
And if you go into our Wizard 21, it's an orbital, it's a huge orbit, so it has a lot of movement, so it does a lot of the work.
No matter how much you love them and the more you try to take care of them by waxing them, that rag drops on the floor, it's a dirty rag, or you're lazy and you just grab the wrong rag and there's multiple scratches. Now what do you do?
The right product, the right system, the right machine, and taking away that fear. You can pull out the scratches, custom paint, everyday paint, any type of paint. That's our Wizard 21 fixed roll polisher.